Dewalt 20-volt max orbital sander. It's a variable speed cordless orbital sander. Before we open the box of the new sander, I want to show this Black& Decker orbital sander. It was corded single speed. Sadly, it broke after using for less than a year. So instead of spending another 40 bucks on it, I have got this Dewalt for 80 bucks. Let's open the box. It's a brushless motor, 8000 to 12,000 OPM, and it's a very low profile, very stable. 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad can be used for quick and easy paper changing. And it's got a dust seal switch to protect dust injection for long switch. Yep, feels really good. Let's plug in the dust catcher. That's where the battery goes, and that's the variable speed dial. Let's try it out with a dual battery. Any standard dual battery will fit in. Let's plug it in and switch it on, and let's hear the sound at variable speed. As we increase the speed, we can hear the motor is running faster. Now let's try it out on a piece of wood. See how it goes. Yep, the wood is not sanded, so it will be a good one to test out. Yeah, it did a pretty good job, and it's so well balanced, it did not hurt my hand either. Overall, I'm very happy with this investment. It is a bit expensive, but Dual truly builds a very good quality products, and if you take good care of it, it will last for a very long time. Next time I'll try to build a table and upload the video of it using on a large surface. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.